But there was a great question posted this past weekend on our Discord about EDA and about should you have a hypothesis already going into EDA, or said another way, at what point in the data science process should you come up with your hypothesis? And I thought that was just a really insightful question. And it's one of those things where I just do it. I know when to do it. It's just one of those things that you kind of just do by muscle memory, if you will. And I've never really talked about that. And one of the things that you should realize is that EDA is supposed to be part of the time when you develop your hypothesis. You develop your business use cases. You should not, I repeat, not be walking into your EDA process with a hypothesis already in mind. That's a mistake, right? I have this conversation with my clients about letting the data speak to you. You have to do that in the EDA process to kind of help guide your thinking, and more importantly, help guide your questions. EDA should result in a series of questions. So if EDA tells you about your customers, about your sales, about your transactions, about whatever it is, then the next question is, well, why is it that way? Why are our customers coming from these segments? Why are these sales so strong in this particular month or this particular quarter? Why? You should be, that EDA process should be leading to those questions that eventually lead to business use cases that then lead to hypotheses, right? So again, just a really important concept for you guys to remember, that you're going to have your initial conversations with your stakeholders.